Hi there, good day guys. This is Benjamin here from Singapore, and today is the 31st of December 2021, and I wish everybody ahead a happy new year in 2022. Now, in today's video, I'm going to do a very interesting sharing, which is how to actually achieve massive affiliate marketing success using one of the most popular platform among affiliate marketers in the world. And this platform is none other than Clickbank. So many a times I've been asked by a lot of people, how do I actually achieve consistent sales on the Clickbank platform? Now, there are two methods that generally super affiliates would use when it comes to marketing products on Clickbank. The first method is via email marketing. But email marketing is generally a process that would take time because you actually need to consistently communicate with your list in order for them to trust you as a member of authority before they would actually purchase anything that you personally recommend. On top of that, there are a lot of moving parts when it comes to email marketing, which is things like setting up your domain reputation, your list segmentation, all right? And these are things that need to take into consideration if you wish to run successful email campaigns. The second method is a relatively much faster method, which is via Facebook advertisements. When it comes to Facebook advertisements, again, there are two main concerns of affiliate marketers. The first concern is none other than how do I actually generate a positive return on investments if I would invest into Facebook ads? Now, of course, the last thing that you want is to see that you have actually invested like a couple of $100 and you get nothing back. Okay. The second typical concern of affiliate marketers again is what if my Facebook ads account gets shut down? Because this is a very common problem among newbie affiliate marketers of getting their Facebook ads account shut down. And this is something very frustrating. Imagine one day when you wake up and you try to check your Facebook ads campaign and you realize that Facebook actually shut down your entire ad account. Now, if you do not have any proper guidance from someone who have actually gone through it in terms of how to actually negotiate with the Facebook support team, what are the things that you need to do to stand by to prevent all these account shutdown issues, and how to actually revive back all these accounts, it will generally be very difficult for you to actually get your account back. So naturally, without these accounts back, you can't run any more Facebook ads, correct? Now, so this is the topic that I want to talk about today. How to achieve massive affiliate marketing success for you in 2022. Before we move into the content proper, if you find any value from my videos in my YouTube channel, please remember to like, subscribe, as well as turn on your notification bell so that you do not miss out on any of my future content. Now, let's go straight into my screen proper. So there's this particular program whereby a super affiliate in 2021, all right, shares about how he went from a newbie to generating over $1.5 million in affiliate commissions, all right, just in 2021 alone. The key points of this program: 345 to 507% return on investment using the new hidden feature inside every Facebook account. And no one has actually shared until now and is totally free. Next, you have less worry about ad account closure. In fact, the vendor of this program understand the pain point of a lot of affiliate marketers when it comes to using Facebook ads. Okay, so he will actually share with you guys how to actually run ads compliantly without getting your ad accounts shut down. And even if it's already shut down, he will have a process to share with you how to actually get back all these ads account. Now, last but not least, is actually beginner friendly and how he went from a struggling newbie to super affiliate at record speed. And best of all, this particular program doesn't cost you thousands to actually learn. In fact, I have personally enrolled into a particular training course that shares generally almost the same as whatever that he's sharing over here. And that cost actually, I invested close to 1,000 plus, right, USD into that particular course. And now with this program that's being launched just in mid of November 2021, the front-end offer is only going for $39, guys, which is actually a no-brainer if you're somebody who really wants to learn how to achieve massive affiliate marketing commissions in the Clickbank platform using Facebook ads. Now, if you run through the entire sales page, it's not a very lengthy sales page per se. All right, he has a lot of the typical results over here, share about his own personal stories. All right, I'll leave it to yourself to actually go through all this entire sales page. But what I really want to show you guys is actually what exactly is being taught inside all this program. All right, let's go straight to over here. Okay, so the first thing is this thing called a pre-warm-up, the affiliate millionaire mindset. Now, mindset again, you might be thinking, yes, mindset again, because a lot of affiliate marketers actually fail in this industry because of a lack of the proper mindset. All right. So the first thing that he will share with you is the must know your numbers. The most important know your numbers skill that you must know. Otherwise, you will struggle to ever make a profit, because running paid advertisements is all about data analysis, and this data is generally all numerical in nature. Next will be the 40-20-20 diversification rule, whereby he personally used to run his own affiliate campaigns. And once he actually applied this method, he has consistent winning campaigns coming in. All right. Next, how to understand the difference between high risk versus low risk campaigns and what actually works best for you. So if these are things that you have first heard of, all right, then you definitely need to get this particular program, because if you're going to invest money in Facebook ads to promote Clickbank products without understanding how these super affiliates think, what is actually in their mind when they run all these campaigns, you will definitely be losing money, or even worse still, be unable to get the return on investment that you really, really much desire. Now, when it comes to module 1, okay, that's talking about research. How do you actually pick your hot, proven offer? He will share with you the hottest niches of verticals, how to actually legally spy actual hot offers that affiliates are running. So you let them spend the money first, then you snipe. Next, which trusted affiliate networks have the highest payout, best conversions, and paid out on time for over 10 years in a row? How to actually earn $203 commissions selecting the best funnel? The Holy Grail A-List offers playbook that saves you hundreds of hours by going straight to these proven offers. If you're familiar with Clickbank, you will know that Clickbank has several different offers. All right, it will not be underestimation for me to say that Clickbank has at least thousands of offers out there in the marketplace, because there's so many different categories like woodworking, astrology, self-improvement, health niches, e-business and e-marketing, so and so forth, even lottery, stuff like that. Okay, so you need to understand, whenever you want to promote an affiliate program, it has to be something that is already top converting. It is easier for you to convince somebody to buy something whereby they already know of the existence of the program, rather than to actually promote something to a person whereby he has not even heard about this program. Am I right? So that is what is being covered in module number 1. So module number 2 is sharing with you how do you actually create the perfect lender. When we talk about lender, generally we're talking about the squeeze page. So the 3 kinds of lender that actually converts like crazy, and whereby he will share with you how do you actually run them compliantly with the Facebook ads platform. The quiz page, the splash page, and the blog style. Okay, so he will just share with you exactly how to run all these lenders. The exact 4 questions that actually boost the click-through rate by over 9% and were responsible for almost $38,000 of profit in just 1 week, guys. So, as you can see over here, I'm only at module 2, and you can already understand and see for yourself that with just a $39 investments, this vendor is going to share with you all his experience with nothing being held back. All his experience in terms of how to run your Facebook ads profitably. Next, the block style lender, which results over 400% cheaper click rates that Facebook actually like it. The splash page, which results in 1.73 earnings per click that nobody else uses. All right, next, module number 3, funnel testing and power tracking. How do you actually create the optimal email follow-up sequence that generate over $500 to $1,000 per day? This is something that everybody has been asking. How do I actually start earning more than $1,000 every day using affiliate marketing? So in this program, he will actually share with you, on top of running the ads, what kind of lenders to use, how do you actually spy on competitors' offers, and eventually, how do you actually generate more than $1,000 every single day. Installing the pixels the right way to accurately track your traffic, how to place your pixel with Clickbank's new system that no one is teaching yet to skyrocket conversion rates, the hidden golden tracker ad, the hidden golden standard of ad tracker that costs pennies on the dollars but shows the winning 237% profitable campaigns. Now, how to actually work with vendors to get ultimate lookalike audiences that some can get thousands. All right. So there are a lot of different modules over here. That's module 4, module 5, 6, 7. optimizing and scaling. Like what I always share with people. When it comes to traffic, the one that I personally really favor is paid traffic. Now you might be thinking, well, Ben, you're talking about paid traffic is something that costs me money. Yes, guys. Now, something that will cost you an investment, not necessarily costing you money. Why do I say that? Because if you're going to invest $1,000 on paid ads and you get back 2 to 3 or even $4,000, do you really consider that $1,000 as a cost, or is it actually an investment? All right. The only issue here is how to generate that positive ROI, and that is what this program is sharing with you. Okay. So you can see that this entire skills squeeze page, there are some bonuses for you as well. All right, this is bonus number 2, bonus number 3. Yeah, this is the one that a lot of people are asking me. How to actually save your Facebook accounts and get them back that 99% of affiliates have totally no clue about. Affiliate Millionaire Club, so on and so forth. All right, and as well, there's a 30 days money back guarantee, okay, for this particular program. So guys, if you're someone who is really keen in terms of achieving massive affiliate marketing commissions on Clickbank in 2022, do consider clicking on the link somewhere below this video to access this particular program. And this program is converting very hot at this moment in time, because who doesn't want to earn $1.5 million in commissions? But of course, when it comes to this kind of results, it's not typical. So meaning to say, it also depends a lot on your personal effort, how you actually run all these campaigns with the help of the vendors, okay, to actually to getting all the positive return on investments on your campaigns. Okay, guys. So I hope this particular program will help you to accelerate your affiliate marketing success in 2022, and I'll see you in the next video. And once again, Happy New Year. Take care.